What's going on, everybody? Today we're at the Bellagio. Gonna do a room tour of the Resort 2 Queen room, room 25075. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so this is the first room tour since the reopening. I'm out here reopening weekend. So this is the entryway into the room. Going to the right, this is your bathroom. Let's get some light in here. Got a nice sized bathroom. Immediately walk into a soaking tub, so you've got plenty of space to kick back and relax in the tub. A couple decor items there. Here is your sink, so you've got a bright mirror above the sink, and then you also have a vanity mirror attached to it, and I believe it's got a ring light. Yeah, you've got a ring light attached to that. So for those of you who need to glamify yourselves and may need some more lighting, you have the option. Down below your sink, you've got a couple drawers. This one just has cloth in it, and then this one over here, you've got some complimentary goodies in here. You got a hair dryer, looks like a little makeup kit, and a couple other options. So for those of you who need to get well put together, you've got some options. This is your toilet, and you've got a phone next to the toilet, so if you need to use your lifeline and call for help, you can do that. Vegas nights do get crazy. This is your standing shower, so you've got a nice size standing shower. So it's your bathroom, pretty nice bathroom. Now let's head to the main part. But before we head to the main part of the room, you do have a full body mirror directly across from the bathroom, so you can check yourself out before you hit the strip. Making our way on into the room. So you do have some switches here. I'll save this for the camera if I can get in focus, thank you. For the drapes and the shears. So as you see, I needed some light, so I just left that one open. So we'll open the drapes and the shears, motorized, voila, and they open up. You can also hit that light switch over there by the desk to have the light above. So these are your 2 queen beds. Have a nice space, we'll get there in a second. To your left as you walk into the room, this is your entertainment area. So you've got a flat screen TV, and then right below that, you've got your connectivity panel. So if you brought some devices, you can connect that to the media connectivity panel, and your TV will play and charge those devices. Now we've got a seal here. This looks like they want to ensure that all guests know that it's been cleaned before you open it, so I'm gonna break that seal live on camera for y'all. And this is your mini refrigerator with alcohol. They don't have an empty one, but if you want to purchase some things, you do have a mini bar there to get your drink on. And these are just some extra drawers. Nothing too spectacular with these. I'm not gonna open them all, but as you see, just extra space if you need them. Now on over to our 2 queen beds. You have 2 nice queen beds, and then as you can see here, you've got an Ihome clock radio. So if you have an iPod or want to connect, I believe there's an aux cable behind it. You can play your iPod or listen to the radio. You can also open and close the shears from the bedside, which is probably phenomenal. And these are also lights that you see above the bed. You have some overhead reading lamps, because I know when I wake up in the mornings, I love to have to open the blinds for my bed, and I have to manually get up. So it's a good look for them to have that bedside. Here is your not your walk-in closet, I wish. Here is your closet. It lights up as you see, but you got your ironing board and hangers in there. So got a good sized closet. And then here, as you see, you've got a couple chairs. Kind of feel like it take a little bit of space. I don't know if you need to, but there's an extra lamp. And then this is your work desk area. So if you're coming here on business and you need to do some work, be convenient. And this is a letter that Bellagio is giving out, I guess, when you check in with the update. So these pretty much is saying welcome back, and they're being extra safe. So if I can open this with one hand, looks like they're providing like sanitizer and cloths. Yeah, so they're giving you hand sanitizer when you check in now. So it's nice of them. If you need to be clean, they'll help you do that. And this is the view. So we don't have a fountain view with this room. This is a city view, but of course Vegas look good at night, and that'll be your view from this room. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.